When people picture building a food forest, they often imagine doing everything at once. But this forest, it wasn't built in a weekend.
This forest wasn't built in a weekend.
And neither was this one. It's been built in small sections, one decision, one plant, and one adjustment at a time. Welcome to Edible Trails Garden. My name is Katrina, and today we are talking about permaculture principle number 9, small, slow solutions. Principle number 9 is about choosing changes that are manageable, repeatable, and easy to learn from. If something doesn't work, it doesn't take down the whole system. Instead of planting an entire food forest all at once, I focused on small sections, each section teaching me something about water, shade, spacing, timing. Speed often skips feedback, and slowness gives you information. Slow systems, they have time to settle. Some year the harvest is a win. Some years the win is just simply the plant surviving.
This is where the trail book really comes in handy. In the trail book, I'll pause and write down one small change I've made and what happened after. What's one small improvement you've made in your garden and what did it teach you? You don't need to track everything, just notice one small win.
Permaculture isn't about doing everything now. It's about doing the right thing consistently over time. Small and slow doesn't just build gardens, it builds systems that last. Thanks for joining me on the trail today. Let's grow.